Hey guys, it's your boy Michael with the H&M Reviews channel, and today we are going to expand our horizon a little bit and we are going to fix our backup camera in our 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. But we are going to be replacing this little guy right here, the backup camera, okay? And I want to show you exactly what it's doing in the car, okay? So bear with me a second. Here we go. Okay. Let's start the car up. All right. Now, what you see, this car actually has the 360-degree camera all around the car. But look, if you put it car in drive, you put it in drive, okay, this is what happens. Hang on a second. Okay. Now you see the front of the car here. You can see the front here. This, see? This is the right side here, it'll show, blah, 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 and so on and so forth. As you can see, the rear of the car is blue, okay? Now, if you put the car in reverse, the whole screen is blue, okay? So it still has the beeping sound when you get too close to something. Hang on, let me see if it'll work. You hear it? See it? Right there. So let's go forward a little bit. Give me some room in the back to work. Okay. And we are gonna replace our backup cam in the 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. All right. Now, it's that little dreaded guy right there. Now, this is very important, just so you're aware. Be mindful when you're pulling off this panel here. You got to pull off this panel right here up to right here. You got to pull it off. It'll all come off. It's got little attachments in there, okay? But be careful because they could snap and break, okay? So yeah, this whole panel's got to come off, but keep in mind you have this power lift gate here, okay? So what I'm going to do right now for you, I'm going to have to take the camera on and off, you know, because I just want to show you the correct way how to do it step by step. All right, I have the one hand thing going, so it's kind of tough. Okay, right here you have two 10mm, okay, Phillips head screwdriver screw. One there, one there, one back here, and one right here. I already took them out. Pop her out. Boom, see how it popped out? And there you go, pops right out, see? Okay, so yeah, I just want to, okay, now this guy here, I'm going to try to pop out with one hand without, you know, and yeah, actually I'm going to have to, give me a second. Okay, let me, always use a plastic pry tool. Okay, right now I just have one of these little dinky, I don't have a plastic pry tool, but it's recommended to use a plastic pry tool. Okay, because when you pop these off, you know, you can break them. Okay, hang on a second. See, okay, now look. See how these little blue, see them? These things will snap if you're not gentle with them, okay? There's these little fasteners all around, okay? All around, okay? Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this out. See, this is the power lift gate, okay? See it? Now, do you see this little button right there? You gotta push it in and pull out, just like that. See that? It was already pre-pushed before I pushed it in. You push that little button there, like I said, see it? Right on top, right there. This little button right here, and then you pull this down. You gotta be very, very mindful with that because, you know, you don't wanna break the wiring, okay? So yeah, now you go around, all the way around, you know, see the little, make sure these clips are out, you know, just give it, you know, just give it a good, you know, there we go, there we go. Okay, now, this is a one, see, there we go. All right, see, there's the panel. Okay, just want to show you guys, there's the panel. I took it off, and guys, I did that with one hand, okay? So, okay, and they recommend you take the tail lights out, like I said before. So what you're gonna do is, I'm gonna put you up here. Do you see how, actually, I'm trying to get in here. You see the plastic, it's a plastic little area there. I want to see if I can get in there for you. So you got to get on the top here. See where it is? Give me a sec. I'm putting the little metal tool there. You push it in and pop it out. Pop right out. See that? It's very easy. This is with one hand, guys, so. And again, over here, we're gonna do the same exact thing. Oh. Popped it right out. Okay? So yeah, this, now when it's out, you can see exactly what it is. It's the same concept as the other one. The push button, you push it in here with the tool and pull out, okay? Now, also keep in mind that all of these, you have to take this 10 millimeter out right there, okay? You have to take out the 10 millimeter that's under here, and you have to take out the 10 millimeter that's right here. This holds the opposite panel on with the H on it. That, it holds on that. Plus there's some fasteners behind it as well, but, okay? And also, these are 10s right here. These are the tail lights. So the tail lights, see how the 10s are up here, one here, one here. And then on the other side, you take these out. I loosened them up before, just to make it a little bit easier for me. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, this tail light is out. Let's see if I can pull it out from the top. There we go. Here's the tail light. Okay. Let's put the tail light in the back here. Let's see if I can do the other one real quick. Okay, let's see, we're over here. And there's the other tail light. There's a 10 mil up here, and this one here, see it? Right there. Okay. There's a tater out there. I'm trying to give you guys the best shot possible, okay? Now also, I want to, like I showed you guys before, be mindful, okay, that there are clips on the opposite side here. But a lot of people don't show you this, okay? If you look inside here, do you see the little white, let me see if I could point it out. See the white little fastener back there? You see it? Okay, this is hooked in on the other side. So what you do is, I just take a little pry tool and pry it up a little bit, you know? I pry it up a little bit just to loosen it, because if you just pull it on the other side, you could snap it. See, and if you look up top there as well, is there another one? Wait, let me see if I can get in here, hang on a sec. Okay, yeah, if you look in there, you see the other white one back there? Take the pry tool and just go in and, where are we? And just pry it up. When you do this, there's one more. You see the other one back here? I don't know if you can see it past the, yeah. You see it? The white one up there? See the white one back there? You gotta just take the little pry tool. Watch, I'm gonna see if I could show you from here. Yeah, just, you know, pry it up a little bit. You gotta pry them up, because like I said, if you do not pry them up, when you go to pull out this, you're gonna snap it. Okay, let's see what happens now. So you gotta give it a good little yank. Keep in mind there's plastic attachments on the other side here, so if you take it and snap it, you're gonna break it. So, see, okay. You wanna go very slow, preferably with a plastic pry tool, preferably, okay? Okay, let's see if it'll come out. Oh, there we go, Okay, see, just pop right out. And there is the camera right there. Let's see the guy. Oh, wait, what happened? Ooh, it doesn't look too good, does it? I bet water seeped in that thing. Wow. Unbelievable. And I did unhook this before we did this, just to make it easier, like I said. But yeah, you could actually see how water must have seeped in here. Okay. So yeah, I mean, it would be ideal. See, now you can see exactly where this piece was, you know. Here, so here's the camera, the new one. Okay, well, let's see how we do this. Give me a second. I have one hand, guys. I'm doing everything with one hand just to show you how easy it is to be done, you know. Okay, is this the right way to do it? No, it's not. Okay. Okay, you see how it goes in? There is an attachment. There's a bracket over the camera, so you put it in the hole. Okay, you put it in the old hole, and do you see how it lines up perfectly with the holes? See? So I am going to put, I'm going to put the little camera in there. I'm going to put the little, Okay, put that in there. Where's the other screw? And put this one here. Okay, see. And I have not hooked this up yet, guys, so I don't know if it's going to work or not. I really don't. I'm not saying, I'm not being funny. I've never checked it yet. So we are going to be surprised at the same time if it works or doesn't work. And this is not the better one. This is not the best camera you can get. This one was about 200 bucks. You know, it is not original. The original ones I was seeing online for like $400. Okay. I screwed it in. Let me connect it right here, okay? And I'm not gonna, obviously I'm not gonna, here's the connector, okay? Hang on a second. And here's the, okay, I'm gonna click it in. I think this is it. There we go, I heard the click. Now, let me just, I'm gonna point the camera up somehow. I mean, you really don't wanna hang the wire, but, okay, now let's see. Let's see if the camera will work before. I don't want to hook up everything first. That would be really stupid on my part if I hook it all up and it does not work. So this is the first time. I have never hooked this up, guys. It's my very first time. So if it doesn't work, I'm going to be pissed. All right. Ready. Here we go. Okay. Let me just put it in reverse. Come on. Come on. Come on. Is it going to work? There we go. There we go, guys. You see it working, see that? You see it working. Again, like after I hook up everything, after I hook it all back up, the trunk and the panel and everything, I'm gonna take another look at it just to make sure everything is really good. Okay, now, you see, here's what I was saying before. If you wanted to put some silicone around the edge here, you know, so water can't get in, you know, around, and on the inside as well. So you could put some silicone on the inside, you know, if you wanted to. I mean, I'd recommend that. But you don't have to, like I said. But now we're gonna hook up everything again. Hang on a second, bear with me. Okay, I'm gonna hook up, you know, they all have little, if you notice, they have little attachments in there that go right in, see? Okay, now, you push it right in. And like I said, there's little snaps in here, guys. There's little snaps. Did you hear the snap? Okay, little snap on this side, you hear the snap? Okay, now what we're gonna do is hit the power lift gate, should open it up. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put all the 10 mils back on, okay? Like right up here, you remember? I showed you this one? Put the 10s back on. And this is what really holds it in, these things. And the snaps also hold it in, but, you know, but these are what really holds it in. One here. Yeah, these are the 10s, and I'm going to tighten them up after this, obviously. Okay, here's my 10. This one I got to, because it's really on an angle up there, if you see it. Right, see how it's on an angle? Let me see if I can get it up there. 2. While I'm here, I'll just plug back in the... Make sure you hear the snap. You have to hear that snap. And these are plastic. These are plastic, guys, so don't tighten them too much. You know, don't tighten them, you know, just like they say, you know, just snug it up and then just a little bit more, you know, just a little bit more. Yeah, these are very, I mean, these taillights are not cheap. Not cheap. Okay, yeah, there's the one side. Now let's try the other side again. Again, I'm trying to, there we go. Is this in here? Yeah, here it is. Just trying to put it in again. Okay, is it in? Okay, let's see if we got it in or not. Okay, is it not in? No, it's not in. There we go. It's in now. You see it up there? Everything's in. Oh, let me see what I could do here. Here's the actual, let's see, I'm trying to put up the panel right here. Give me a sec, guys, give me a second. Give me a sec, I'm just trying to do this. Well, guys, one hand with the panel, okay? See, you make sure to put this wire out because it's got to hook into the power lift gate. Okay, got the 2-hand thing going. There we go, it's hooked in, see it? Okay, now we're gonna go around. Gonna go around and hit everything, hit all the hit all the plastic. You're gonna put this piece back in, so you just push it back in, push it in. Now you take the plastic piece and just push it in, there you go. Now you take the 4 Phillips head screws and, need I say, you just screw them in. And then you take your two 10s and put them in the handle, see? Let's see how it works now, guys. All right, here we go. Now it's all hooked up. And let's go. Let's see. You ready? All right, here we go. The moment of truth. There we go. Perfect. Job well done. All right. Well, guys, that is the step-by-step fix for your 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport, the rear replacement camera. I will put the number of the part in the description below, and we will be having a live stream in the next couple days. We'll be giving away some things, a gift card, some cameras perhaps. Guys, click that subscribe button, click all, so you never miss an upcoming video, and shake your neighbor's hand, guys. This is Michael with the H&M Reviews channel. Peace out, guys. Love you guys. Later.